All right, now it is time for the while loop. Okay, so actually the while loop is somehow different, but they are the same. I equals 0. Let's start from 0, and I will put while here, and while I is less than 5. Okay, then yeah, sorry, I forget to put the indentation here, the colon here, and indentation here. So I will print inside it. So let's print I, and we want to add the value, or we will get an infinite loop. All right, infinite loop means that we will still be in the same loop, okay, over and over. But by doing that, you make sure that everything will stop eventually. Okay, so I will keep increasing the I value until it reach 5. So 5 less than 5, false. I will get out from this while loop. Okay, now let's run this and test it out. Actually, it's better. Yeah, you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and when it is reaching 5, then it will go. So it is actually, let's have a look here. So we will start from 0. Now 0 less than 5, yes, true. I will print 0, and I will add 0 equal 0 plus 1. Now the new value for I will be 1. Okay, now again, 1 is less than 5. Yeah, press 1, 1 plus 1, and over until we reach 4. 4 less than 5, yes, print 4, and 4 equal 4 plus 1, so which means the new value for I will be 5. 5, now let's return and check the condition. 5 less than 5, no, false. When this means that I will go ahead and I will quit from it. Okay, so far so good.